Hello, my dear lovely owners and entrepreneurs. Today, I would like to discuss about staff retention based on an article I read recently. If you take the business era for the last three generations, first we had industrial revolutions, which was our grandparents' time when they worked for survival, like basic needs of food, shelter, etc. And the boss was always correct. Even if they beat them, they used to continue their work or they won't resign or go for some other job. Then started the information revolution, which our parents worked, and their purpose for working was to have a standardized living, like building a house, purchasing a car, and there was multiple job openings and better pay scale when compared to the living cost at that time frame. Now we have moved on to digital revolution post 2008 recession, which includes latest interference of artificial intelligence in job market. If you say an employee that I'll cut your pay or tie you with a contract or try to holding back, the employee will surely go for another job. There is other options. Why? Because this generation, what they are expecting us, not standard of living or not to survive. It is basically quality of life. And as an owner, what is the key solution to reduce employee retention is to build a culture or a system that can provide quality of life for its employees, which includes training and development, work and social life balance, etc. Thank you.